Everyone assumes that making a soup at home is really tough. हम मार्केट में जाते हैं, instant soup powder लेके आ जाते हैं and we make a soup. And we also feel very satisfied having that powder soup. But have you ever wondered, is it nutritious enough? Not really. And you know what? You can make it nutritious just by making a simple soup at home. We are going to start with a pan on the flame. We are going to put some oil. If you want, you can also use some butter or olive oil. Now we are going to use some chopped garlic. We are going to let it get fried a bit, but we have to make sure it does not get brown because that will spoil the color of our soup. What we are going to do is start adding our vegetables. Today we are going to use some chopped French beans, some sweet corn, some chopped carrots, some chopped green cabbage, and we are going to toss it all very well. अब मैंने इन वेजिटेबल्स को अच्छी तरह से सौते कर लिया है. What I am going to do is in the end add some spring onions. I don't want to cook it too much, so I put it later on because the freshness of the spring onions is what we really want. It would give a wonderful flavor to our soup. Just toss it a bit. I'm going to add some basic seasonings, that is salt, some pepper. If you'd like, you can add any other seasonings and herbs. Now we will pour some water into this pan. We have to pour enough water to cover up all the vegetables and even slightly a bit more because water is the body of our soup. Just give it a good mix. Now that we have added the water and mixed it up very well, we are going to cover this soup up and हम लोग इसको एक हल्का सा boil देंगे. And while it's getting boiled, हमें ये ध्यान रखना है कि हमें अपने soup को थोड़ा सा thick करना है. We don't want it to be very watery. Now what we are going to do is we are going to make a slurry. Now what a slurry is, it's basically a paste that is made with some kind of flour and a mix of water. Now today we have taken some corn flour in which I am going to pour very little water and make a paste out of it. We need to make sure that there are no lumps in the slurry. The point of making a slurry and adding it to our soup is it makes it thick. Now let's open up this lid and let's see हमारा soup अच्छी तरीके से cook हो रहा है कि नहीं. There is a light boil, which is great. We are going to add our slurry to the soup. And now just mix it a bit. Now what we want is the heat should use the slurry to thicken up our soup. So we are going to let it boil up a bit. Now this is something that is very healthy. This is something that is not out of a packet, and this is something that's not even an expensive dish to make. Now let's have a look at our soup. It is very well simmered. I can enjoy the smell of these vegetables. Lastly, what I'm going to do is just put some vinegar in, and I'm going to simmer my soup for another 3 to 4 minutes till the time it thickens up. Now I'm going to put the lid back on and we are ready to serve it in a bowl and enjoy it.